Come on, who's gonna finish it?
Yeah. I don't got any more water.
Are you gonna finish it, Jay?
I don't know.
Stop using your fingers.
I'm gonna rabble it around. So it doesn't touch my lips. My lips are burning.
Just put it in your mouth and don't let it touch your lips. That's the trick. Just chew. Try not to let it touch your lips.
You're
done? You're out?
This.
Okay. You have to say it.
I quit. With it.
I guess we have a winner.
Okay, Jay's the winner. You have to
So-
finish, Jay.
So, I wanted to be the winner. Give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.
I just swallowed a whole chunk and it's more spicy.